Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel and an episode of Miniatures Monday on a Monday for like the first time since this pandemic started. I've had a really hard time keeping up with what day of the week it is and when I should be doing videos and uploading them and stuff. And also, you can't really go to the store to get anything, but I got some new miniatures. Going to the grocery store, finding stuff on the end caps as I sit in the checkout lane. I did manage to pick up a couple of new Hot Wheels. Now, I don't know if this one is actually new or if I just missed this color. I do have the blue, but now I have the red of the Subaru 22B STI. It's the only red one I've seen, and I really like the color. That one turned out super awesome. It does say new for 2020 on it. But yeah, I don't know if that was just a second color variation that I never saw, but I'm happy I got it. So I got me a red Subaru Impreza 22B STI. I also got, this is really cool, a 52 Hudson Hornet in like a fabulous Hudson Hornet style paint scheme on there. I didn't even know Hot Wheels was doing a casting like this. Again, looks really, really, really cool, so I had to pick that one up. And then last but not least, the Miata in yellow. Now I have this in blue and in red with the white roundels. In fact, one of these is I have a whole line on detailing Hot Wheels with Sharpies and paint pens. And this is one of the ones I did. It turned out really well, the autocross version. Now they're making it in yellow with some cool gray 5-spoke wheels and no tampos at all for the side stuff. But it means that they did do the headlights and taillights and license plates, which in fact that one says, it says something. What does it say? No thanks, no, oh, Hot MX5, that's what it says. Haha, Hot MX5. But yeah, so they did a yellow Miata, which looks really, really cool. So I got that. So these are all to add to the collection, but wait, there's more. Da, 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 da. I know you guys probably all seen these, but I hadn't gotten them in person. I finally got the 69 Mustang Boss 302 with the retro rig for my SCCA Trans Am collection. It's not a real race car livery or anything, but that is just way too cool not to have in the diorama. So I picked that up, and while I was there, I also found the Ford GT in the Castrol livery, which I really, really, really like. And this truck is cool. I haven't gotten any of the C800 trucks yet, so that was really cool to get that, but it would be awesome to get a second car of something cool to put on there and put in the display case or something like that. But until then, I will leave this one in the package until I find something else Castrol and Ford I can put on there. Maybe an old John Force Mustang funny car or something like that. But that was really cool. I had to get that. You guys know how much I like the Ford GT, but the Trans Am, man, that is, in fact, you know what? It's Miniatures Mondays, and you know that I like liberating my stuff around here. I do not leave it in the package most of the time. It's so hard to do with one hand while you are filming. But we're going to get through it together, right? Rawr, here we go. I'm going to release that beautiful Transporter and Mustang from its packaging so that we can take a look at it. All right, here we go. Look at that. Clear all this crap out of the way. Man, that is an extra long casting. Get it to focus in here. Look at that. That thing is awesome. That looks really, really, really good. The Boss 302 here. This is obviously one of Hot Wheels' great castings right now, in my opinion. They made a Trans Am version, and it really is. It's got the subtly flared fenders and the big front chin spoiler, and it sits super, super low on the mini lights. They got the roll cage in it. The window bars, they got the right exhaust. Like, that car is awesome. Now, the Ford Race Team stuff is legit. There may well have been some sort of spare car, show car, something like that done up like this. So this totally fits in with my Trans Am stuff. And then again, this hauler is really, really, really cool. It's obviously a little customized. It's lowered and chopped and all that stuff, but on the diorama on the racetrack, it'll look good enough. So there we go. That is our look at new miniatures for the first time in months here on Miniatures Monday on a Monday on the Plays with Cars YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you're looking for more content, click the playlists and watch all the videos. We've got all sorts of stuff, and including Sneaky Peeky. Coming soon on the Plays with Cars YouTube channel.